If you are just starting with photography, you definitely want to avoid these 3 mistakes that I wish I knew when I started. Not knowing your camera. It's important that you are familiar with your camera and that you are able to change important settings like ISO, shutter speed, aperture and white balance without taking your eye from the viewfinder, so you never miss that perfect shot. Most modern cameras allow you to customize their buttons and dials, so take advantage of that and set up your camera in a way that's easy for you to use even with your eyes closed. Deleting RAW files. Deleting your RAW files might sound like a good idea once you're done choosing and editing your photos. After all, they do take a lot of space, but you definitely want to keep them. There were so many times that I learned a new editing technique and I wanted to go back to some of the old photos, only to find out that I've deleted the RAW files. Shooting with a zoom lens. While shooting with a zoom lens might seem like a great idea because of its versatile use, it often makes you lazy. When I started photography, I only used prime lenses, which forced me to move closer or further away from my subject to get that perfect shot. This will force you to move around to get that perfect framing for your photo. It will definitely make you think about your framing and your composition, and it's definitely a great way to improve your photos.